Hello students, welcome to video lecture on C program. This is lecture number 6 on operators in C. In this lecture, I am going to explain you logical operators in C. We have three types of logical operators. This is first logical operator, this is second logical operator, this is third logical operator. Now this first one is called AND operator. Symbol used for AND operator is AND. Second operator is OR operator. Symbol used for OR operator is this. Third operator is NOT operator. Symbol used for NOT operator is this. If we see example, here we have and. On left hand side we have one expression. On right hand side we have another expression. Generally these two expressions are logical expressions. We can call these two are operands also. What happens here when both left hand side expression and right hand side expression both are true, you will get output 1. If one of them or both are 0, output is 0 in AND operator. If we go to OR operator, this is here left hand side, this is right hand side. If both operands are 0, you will get output 0. But if one of them or both are true, you will get output 1. In NOT operator, we have only one operand and NOT operator is operating on that operand. This operand may be true or false. If operand is true, that is logically 1, you will get NOT of 1 is 0. If operand is 0, logically 0, NOT of 0 is 1. In this way, NOT operator works in C program. In digital electronics, we have seen logic gates. If we take first AND logic gate, we know this is symbol for AND gate. And these are two inputs, A and B. These are two inputs. And we take output here, Y. What is truth table? Truth table for AND gate is if A and B, these are two inputs and Y is output, Y is A and B. So when both are 0, output is 0. When A is 1, B is 0, output is 0. When A is 0, B is 1, output is 0. And when A and B both are equal to 1, output is 1. This is truth table for AND gate. We have logical OR gate. This is symbol for logical OR gate and we have two inputs, A and B, and we have output here. Output. This output is A or B. So what is truth table? A, B, Y. When both are 0, output is 0. When 1, 0, output is 1. When 0, 1, output is 1. And when both are 1, output is logical. Then we have NOT gate. NOT gate has only one input. Now this is symbol for NOT gate and we have here output. Y is complement of A. So when A is 0, Y is 1 and when A is 1, Y is 0. So these are three logical operators, logical gates in digital electronics. And we have three operators, logical operators in C programming. In general, in C programming, I can write Y is equal to A and B. So when both A and B are 1, 1, Y is 1. If one of them is 0, Y is 0. When both are 0, Y is 0. Similarly, for OR gate we can write Y is equal to A or B. When both are 0, output is 0. If one of them is 1, output is 1. When both are 1, output is 1. Not get, I can write y is equal to not a. When a is 0, y is 1. When a is 1, y is 0. Now here a and b can be relational uh, expressions, and their value may be true or false. Depending on that, you will get outputs. Now we'll see simple C program here. Now these are preprocessor commands. When we run this program, first these files are included, then control will enter in the main function, and first statement is evaluated. This statement is called declaration statement. Since I have here 6 variables I, j, k, m and w, they are integer types, so we know memory locations are reserved. I, j, k, m, n and w. These are 6 memory locations reserved by the name I, j, k, m and w. Each memory location is of the size 2 byte. And when, now this is clear screen, and here I equal to 7, so 7 is stored here. J equal to 5, so 5 is stored at the memory location. K equal to 3, 3 is stored here. Now here we have expression. First right hand side is evaluated. Now right hand side, it is expression using AND operator. Now if we see before AND, we have I plus j equal k. This is one relational expression. On right hand side, we have I greater than j. This is another relational expression. If we see here I plus j equal k, this expression is true because I false, because I plus j is 12, k is 3, so this is false. So this is false. I greater than j, this is true, false and true, and we have AND operator. So here we will get result 0. So 0 is assigned to M. So 0 is stored at the memory location. Now control will go to next statement. I have n equal to naught and some expression. Here relational expression is k plus j greater than or equal to I. This is also false. So not of false means not of 0. K plus j greater than I, this is true. So this is true, not false, this is true. So true means it is logically 1, not of 1 is 0, so 0 is assigned to n, so we will get 0 here. Now then control will go to this statement, w is equal to, on right hand side we have expression using OR operator, I greater than j or j greater than j less than k. Now if we see I greater than j is true, j less than k is false, so 1 or 0. So what happens here? 1 is returned by this expression and it is assigned to w, so 1 is stored here. And when control goes to this, it will print m, n and w. So it will call values from memory location and it will print that values. So if we run this program, you will get this output. You will get this output. M is equal to 0, N is equal to 0 and W is equal to 1. Now we will see next program. Now these are preprocessor commands. When we run this program, these two files are included. Control will enter in the program, and as usual 6 memory locations each of 2 byte are reserved by the name I, J, K, M, N and W. Now here I equal to 7, J equal to 5 and K equal to 3. When these three expressions are evaluated, so 7, 5, 3 are stored here. Now here m equal to, now here we have on right hand side we have expression using AND operator. So first this one and this one they are evaluated. I plus j greater than k. So I j called from memory location. So I plus j is 12 greater than k. It is now true. This is also I greater than j. This is also true. So both are logically 1, 1 and 1. That is 1. So 1 is assigned to m. So 1 is stored here. Now when control goes to this, n not n equal to not k plus j less than or equal to I. Now k plus j, it is 5 plus 3, that is 8, less than or equal to 7. This is false. So this is false. So logically it is 0. Not of 0 is 1. So 1 is assigned to n. So here 1 is stored. When it goes here, now I less than j or j less than k. I less than j, that is false. J less than k, that is also false. So here 0, 0, 0 or 0, that is 0, and it is assigned to w. So here 0. And when control goes to this statement, these three are printed. So m equal to 1, n equal to 1 and w is equal to 0. These values are called from the memory location and printed on the output screen. So in this way we get output. So if we see output of this program, we'll get m equal to 1, n equal to 1 and w is equal to 0. In this way logical operators work in C programming. In next lecture we'll see bitwise operators. If you like my video, I request you to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. Also press like button and bell icon button to get notification of new videos on C programming. Thank you very much.